Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Syami bin Azhar and my team member is Ahmad Mubin bin Tajuk Arus. Okay, today we are going to present about our assignment, which is for chapter transfer function at Bode plot in subject BEI 133 Advanced Electrical Circuit. So the transfer function and Bode plot. So what is transfer function? The transfer function H omega of a circuit is the frequency dependent ratio of a phasor output Y omega an element voltage or current to a phasor input X omega, which is source voltage or current. So what is Bode plot? So Bode plot are semi-log plot of the magnitude in decibels and phase in degrees of a transfer function versus frequency. So there is 5 important factor in making Bode plot. So the first one is gain K, which is gain constant. K is constant. The second one is a pole at the origin, and the third one is 0 at the origin. The fourth one is simple pole, and the last one is simple 0.
Today I will present two function to work. So that can we see the equation for H omega is 5 bracket J omega plus 2 over J omega bracket J omega plus 10. So for the solution is we must factorize the number of 2. So we must multiple 5 5 multiple 2. So we can get 10 J omega over 2 plus 2 over 2 over we factorize the number of 10, so we can get 10 j omega bracket j omega over 10 plus 10 over 10. So the final answer we can get 1 plus j omega over j omega bracket 1 plus j omega over 10. So for the HDB, we can get the answer 20 log 10 1 plus j omega over 2 minus, because there is a divide, 20 log j omega minus 20 log 1 plus j omega over 10. Next, I will explain how to get a work plot from the transfer function. The first point is a simple 0, that is 20 log 1 plus j omega over 2. The z1 is equal to 2, so from the 0 until 2, we start at the 2. From the 0 until 2 is 0. After at the number of 2, they will increase slope until 20. Then we go to the simple pole is 1 plus 1 plus j omega over 10. For the simple pole, that start from the 0 until 10, because z is equal to 10. Will decrease with the slope of negative 20. So from 10 to 100, it will reach negative 20. So 10, 100, it will reach negative 20. Next, the pole at the origin. It is the third row in the table, pulse frequency of 1. So can we see this one is the uh, is the uh, pole at the origin. From 20 it passed to 1. So that we can see the green one is 0, behind the number of 2 is 0. The pink one also 0, behind the number of 10. The orange one is 20, decreasing with slope of negative 20. So from the 20, we pull the line until frequency number 1. Then the frequency of 2, we can see the orange one decrease negative 20. the pink one also 0, and the green one is sloped to 90. So we add it all, negative 20 plus 20 plus 0, we can get the 0. So we put the line from frequency 1 until frequency 10 is frequency 1 until frequency 10 is 0, and the frequency of 10 we have negative 20 minus negative 20, and the green one is 20. So negative 20 minus negative 20 plus negative 20. So we can get answer is negative 20. So we put the line 10 from 10 until 100. We pull the line until negative 20. Next, I will present about the phase 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 angle graph. Let's start from 1 plus j omega over 2. Z1 equal to 2. Z1 over 10 equal to 0.2. So we start uh, 1 plus j omega over 2 at 0.2. So at 20, at the 20 point, we will reach 90 degree. So next, for 1 plus j omega over 10, so it will start from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1, because P1 over 10 is equal to 1, and reach 90 at 10 pole. So, and reach 90 degree at 10 pole. It means 100. It will slope negative 45. And the draw of the polar of origin, which is negative 90, we see at the body part, the green one is 0, the purple one is 0, and the pink one is 90. So we start the plot at negative 90. This one, negative 90, negative 90. Then from 0.2 until 1, 0.2 until 1, we have pink, pink equal to 0, purple equal to negative 90, and the green one is equal to 45 degree. So we can get from 0.2 until 1, the answer is negative 45. Then from 1 to frequency 1 until 20, uh, that now have a change from the line green, purple, and pink. So the answer is constant negative 45. And then we start frequency 20. The pink one, negative. The green one is the green one is equal 90 degree. The pink one is equal negative 90, and the purple one equal to negative 45. So we pull the line from negative 45 to the negative 90. So for the last one, we have green one have uh, 90 degree, the pink one negative 90, and the purple one negative 90. So we add all and we get the answer if negative 90, so we pull the line at negative 90. That's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, so I will continue for the board plot to transfer function part. So I will show how to find transfer function from given board plot. So here is the magnitude plot. The magnitude plot is given. So we can see that they are having different slope at the magnitude. So as we can see here, this is the zero slope plus 20 dB particular, and then this is slope, another zero slope with positive 20 dB particular, and then this is another zero slope, and then this is negative 20 dB particular slope. So we can see that the slope is changing, that we can call it as a corner frequency slope. What I mean from corner frequency slope is we can see that in this corner is 1, and then in this corner is 10, and the other corner is 100. So they are having a different corner frequency. So how to find the transfer function from this board plot? Okay, so first we take out the corner frequency, so which is omega equal to 1, 10 and 100. And then the basic is when the slope is increasing by plus 20 dB, positive 20 dB per decibel, 0 is present. And then when the slope is decreasing negative 20 dB, the pole is present. So let's start with the first corner frequency. So when omega, so this is the first frequency. So when omega equal to 1, slope is added plus 20 dB, and then 0 is exists at the omega equal to 1. So as I said, for the basic knowledge, that is when the slope is increasing by 20 dB, the 0 is present. So it is the same with this one. The 0 will present, so the simple 0, so the equation will be 1 plus s over 1. So for the second one is when omega equal to 10, slope is 0 decibel. So 0 we can see at negative 20 dB slope is added at omega equal to 10. So the simple pole is exists, which mean 1 plus s over 10. So this is the guidance from the table here. We use the table here to find the factor. Okay, the third one is at omega equal to 100. So slope is negative 20 dB. Slope is negative 20 dB. You can see here, slope is negative 20 dB, and slope is added. After that, the simple pole exists, which means 1 plus s over 100. Okay, then after that, after we have all the factor, we can insert it in our transfer function formula. So hs equal to k 1 plus s over 1 divided by 1 plus s over 100 times by 1 plus s over 10. So this is the simple pole, and this is the simple 0, and this is the constant. So how to find the constant? First we must simply the equation first. So first we should factorize the value in the simple pole and simple 0 here. So we factorize it, and then it will become 1000k times by 1 plus s divided by s plus 10, and then s plus 100. So how to find the value of k? Constant. Value of k is equal to 20 log k plus slope at the first line log omega equal to gain. This is the formula if we want to find the value of k. So 20 log 20 log is equal by negative 20. 20 log k, sorry, 20 log k is equal by negative 20. And then this is where our mathematical knowledge is being used. And then after that, we change place of this equation. We will get k equal to 0.1. And then after we get the k, we insert it in our transfer function. So 100 times by 0.1 times by 1 plus s over s plus 10 times by s plus s times s times 10, sorry, s times 100, so equal to 100. So this is the transfer function, 100 times by 1 plus s over s plus 10, and then times by s plus 100. All from our team about how we explain about how to find bot plot from given transfer function, and how to find bot plot from transfer function from given bot plot. Thank you.